Hello, I'm Jason Mace. I'm the Managing Director of Gala Tent, and I'd like to introduce you to my recent book, which is The Event Industry Boss. The secret to becoming successful in the event industry. So are you thinking about starting your own business? If so, this is the book that will inspire you to take action. Take a walk through every level of starting a business in the exciting world of the event industry, using the invaluable information and essential practices contained within this book to set yourself on the road to financial freedom as the next successful event industry boss. I have coached and inspired hundreds of individuals in the UK and Europe and around the world to invest in their own ability to be an event industry boss. Now, for the first time in 20 years, I've made this information available to all in this new paperback book. It's also available to download as well. Using my own story as a blueprint of which to grow a £2,000 credit card investment into a multi-million-pound international market-leading operation, I incorporate first-hand experience, research, and one-to-one interviews with successful followers of my methods to create a simple step-by-step guide for anyone setting up a business in the event industry. How to put together a simple action plan that will deliver results fast. Case studies with event industry entrepreneurs using the tried and tested formulas that work. Free to all marketing methods. How to build a brand that works. Personal development tips to improve your skills. Simple goal setting rules to map out your success journey. Event planning, management, and operations. Winning local contracts and business, and all the important legal stuff. It's all in here. The Event Industry Boss will help you understand what it takes to take advantage of the opportunities in your local area and set up your own business on the way to becoming the next successful event industry boss yourself. I am a British award-winning managing director with a portfolio of successful companies known principally for establishing the international market-leading commercial gazebo and marquee supplier Gala Tent, specializing in the event industry. I also have key interests in media, hospitality, commercial property, and even financial technology. I won the UK IT Awards for Security Innovation for a development that solved problems with customers not present, taking payments over the telephone, simply because my company had the pain of those transactions. Again, that's all explained in the book. I was featured in the Sunday Times How I Made It series, and I've actually worked on projects with superstars like Peter Jones since 2011. I'm mentoring his students to develop business skills, helping the next generation reach their potential. It's not an event without the Event Industry Boss book and the inflatable Chesterfield armchair. Quality, and you can wear it as a hat as well. Back to let me just read that. That to read very well. Add to existing to I would like to introduce and that didn't make sense. That sound right. There was this super handsome managing director who conquered the event industry and went on to conquer the world and everything in it. The end.